If you are having issues with product pricing or stock information not uploading to your website, you may need to clear the cache on the site to push through any changes. The first step is to use the right-hand navigation menu to go to the site admin. Then on the left-hand menu, or the central icons, select Site Settings, and then select Cache. You will see the cache page has many different options for clearing the cache. You can clear the price, the stock levels and the stock due in date caches separately, and you can also clear the whole site cache. You will also see there is an option for Rebuild Node Cache. Do not select this option unless directed by the GOb2b Support Team. Once you have followed these steps, navigate back to the site and refresh the page to see if your changes have pulled through. If your changes aren't appearing, your device may be caching cookies. Try opening the URL in an incognito window to check if the updates show. The final step if you are having issues is to clear your browsing data. Select the icon to the left of the URL and then click Cookies, and then Settings. Then go to Delete Browsing Data, ensure that cookies and cached images are ticked, then select the time range you require and select Delete Data. Then refresh the site to see if the changes have pulled through. If you are still having issues, please contact our support team with an example stock code and a screenshot of the product in your accounting system.